I got the 700s, the Yeezy 700s, and I also got the 350s. Now the 700s are my brothers and the 350s are for me. Now the question is, I don't know which one is which, to be honest with you guys. So we're gonna take a gamble. Should I unbox the one on the right or the one on the left? We're gonna turn them around. Let's play a little game. We're gonna turn them around a little bit. Alright, so I turned these around and I'm gonna go with the one on my right. So we're gonna put this to the side. We're gonna save this for another video. We're gonna open with sharp instrument anyway, but very, very gentle though. Okay. So these are the 350s. Just the one that I wanted to see. These are the all black joints, and I gotta say, a lot of people took an L with this one here, and I apologize for that. As you guys can see on the side, this is the black Yeezy Boost 350 V2s. I got these in the size 9. The other video I got them in the size 8.5. They were a little tight on the all white ones. I think 9 is gonna be a perfect size for it. Taking them out nice and slow. There you guys have it. The Kanye West Yeezy 350s. Man, moment of silence, please. Look at that. You got the little red stitch in there. Add a little flavor to it. You got the glow-in-the-dark laces. These are the reflective joints. These are the non-reflective, the entire shoe, but the laces are reflective. Man, and you even have that sneaker smell. You know how you go into a sneaker store and it just smells like mad sneakers, like that sneaker smell is just, I wish they have a cologne for sneaker smell. Like I love that sneaker smell so much. But anyway, and you guys can see Boost on the bottom. A lot of people took an L with these ones here, man, and I waited for 3 hours. Got them on Adidas. Got these in a size 9. I was very lucky, and like I said, I don't take this for granted, but you gotta be blessed to have one of these, man. Cause now let's take a look at the other foot. Okay, the other foot, the same beautiness, and honestly, these don't really look black. They more of like a charcoal black if you guys look at it closely. Let me raise up the ISO a little bit, so you guys can see these sneakers are beautiful. This is my second pair of Yeezys, so I'm gonna try these on. I'm gonna give my first impressions, and of course I'm gonna take some B-roll, some shots and stuff like that, some cinematic stuff. So without further ado, let's roll it. Now anytime you're buying new sneakers, you always want to buy some socks, some fresh pair of socks. You know, new sneakers, new socks. You know, don't half-ass it. I always wanted all black Yeezys, and Kanye definitely delivered. And you know, these sneakers right here are hard. And like I said, I didn't even do the laces yet. Clean, they limited. You're gonna be flexing. They got the red stitching on the back. This thing is comfortable and it looks sexy. It looks very sexy. I mean, I like the way how Yeezys look. You have this little mesh material here, so you can't really see what socks you're wearing, so you don't really have to wear, you know, clean socks or special kind of socks to really have them showing. But honestly, the sneakers are just gorgeous. And in terms of the size, I messed up with my all white Yeezys. I got them in the size 8.5. That was my actual size. They run small, so you got to get them a half a size larger than your actual size. These things feel like I'm walking on clouds, literally. You know, so it looks good and it feels great, and the laces are swag. I know you cannot get these anywhere It's sad. It sucks to see the scalpers overpricing these. I'm seeing some Yeezys going all the way up to 800, 700. The original retail price is 220. I don't even think it's worth spending that much money on Yeezys, honestly. The best thing I can tell you guys is just to wait until the hype dies down, because that's when scalpers are probably gonna calm down in the price, and you gotta watch out for the fakes and stuff like that. My favorite Yeezys to date, hands down. Way better than the all whites, and I still like my all whites, but these are just 10 times better. I'm not gonna be killing these too much. I'm not gonna be wearing them every day, but that special occasion, I'm definitely gonna rock out with these. So make sure you guys follow me on Twitter and on Instagram at SimplyPops. Make sure you guys like the video because it helped me out a bunch, and make sure you guys comment down below. I'm very curious to, you know, see your feedback and what you guys think about these. And also make sure you guys subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you guys be notified when I upload. And yeah, other than that, your boy Pops, and I catch you guys on my next video. Have a simple day. I'm gonna hit you guys with the 350s right now. Bah.